Thank you for the super chat. What is that name? Fenrir Wolfhound. Sure.
Yeah.
Lovely. Will Smith to be replaced by this actor in Aladdin 2. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at the news source here that Will picked. Can you read that? The news. It's called thenews.com. Will Smith's film career is currently going through a crucial phase after his infamous slapping of Chris Rock at the Oscars. Will Smith's career may face serious consequences for the infamous slap. Is that
Serena Williams?
No, not Serena. That's Venus, I believe. But the thing is that the moment that the slap happened? Is that why she has that expression? I'm just trying to remember the photo because it says courtesy of AMPAS, American Motion Picture Association. So this must be the event. I'm just curious what was going on when she was making this pose. Like, oh my God.
Oh, maybe hoping that he would win.
But him winning happened after the slap. So she moved on from the slap here?
Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well.
She thought it was nothing.
She's moving on.
Slap.
Moving on. Did he win? I don't know. It would be awkward for them as well because he went up there and then said, maybe I'm just like their dad. I'm just acting like their dad because I just shot King Richard. And they're like, I don't know. My dad didn't really do stuff like that.
Yeah.
I think you got the wrong guy. Will, he's like, I'm a protector. I think I protected.
That must have been awkward for them.
The whole thing, listen, the whole thing sucked. But we were talking about human emotions earlier. And listen, man, sometimes stuff sucks. And sometimes you make mistakes. He made a mistake. I don't think he should be like, it really feels like the actual canceling is going on. But even in this case, I really don't think that should happen. Like there should be a path out of there, whatever it is. There should be some type of path. It's so much despair when it just goes negative. Like nobody reaches a hand. I don't know if maybe Chris Rock can help him, even though I understand this thing. And it's like there's a kind of a reaction, which is screw you type of reaction.
Sure.
And maybe even I'm going to sue you or whatever. I know you didn't press criminal charges. But you can also kind of send a message after some time passes that there is a path towards reconciliation.
Forgiveness.
Yeah. Oh, you don't hear that word very often, do you, Will?
No.
Man, that shook me up right there, that word. You don't hear that word very often. Forgiveness.
Yeah.
Is anyone ever forgiven anymore?
Maybe in time.
No, I mean officially. I mean publicly. You are forgiven. That would have been crazy if Chris Rock came out and said that. It would have been crazy. But again, I'm not sure it would have been in line with public opinion. Because people would have said, don't forget, it was so much intensity. Shout out TS. Will Smith's career may face serious consequences for his infamous slap during the 2022 Oscar ceremony. King Richard, actor who smacked comedian Chris Rock in the face for making a joke about Jada Pinkett. According to Giant Freaking Robot, the Pursuit of Happiness actor may get replaced by Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson in Aladdin 2. According to the source, Disney has begun talks with Johnson to play an unspecified role in the Aladdin sequel. Yeah, well, I mean, hard to go wrong there.
Right.
With Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Yeah. He's
a buff Genie.
Yeah,
Genie's a little
buff.
goofy, right? He's like silly and
what was that?
a little silly, right? That's the Genie.
Yeah.
He does stuff like that.
Did you get that on camera?
I just don't know if we can.
Those who are just listening to the audio, Mo did a series of movements.
Right, silly movements.
He did a series of movements. I wasn't sure if he was okay or not.
I mean, this could be interesting, but
I think he would play a good Genie.
Do you guys know about the Aladdin movie?
Yeah, I watched it.
The with Will Smith?
Yeah.
And?
Was he
I
good?
think I think he did a good job.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
I mean, it's not like the first one, but that has nostalgic Robin Williams.
Robin Williams. Well, of course I seen that one. No, what I'm saying here is
Uh-oh.
No.
Okay.
No. What I'm saying here is would you feel that you would be missing Will Smith in the sequel since you watched the first one and you would be interested in the sequel? would you find it odd to be replaced? Like, could he fill the shoes here? Do you?
No, I don't hold Will Smith to that standard. In fact, I think if he was in it, I wouldn't be able to not think about the slap the entire time. So
The slap would get in the way.
yeah, but I'm more interested being like, can The Rock play this?
Okay, so then I guess they made the right choice. Here's a guy who watched the last one, can't get the slap out of his head, so won't go watch it with Will Smith in the sequel, and is intrigued by the Rock being involved.
The new choice.
So you are the customer, and
there you go.
Disney just figured you out, and they're gonna solve everything. The Rock solves everything.
Right. Yeah.
You're like, oh my God, there's a problem. Somebody do me a favor. Call Dwayne Johnson. He'll figure it out. And he's like, hello?
That's it.
Hello?
Yeah.
Dwayne, you there?
I feel like
Yeah. Just finished my workout. I'm in between lifts here.
Yeah.
You better get to it. They're like Aladdin too. He's like, fine.
Let's get it. Him and Kevin Hart, I feel like it's just so easy to hire.
Yeah.
You know?
No, but Kevin Hart had the one issue, the one time where he was going to host and then he couldn't host.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
Remember that?
Yeah.
He had the one time and he wrote some stuff.
Yeah.
And I don't know. Maybe The Rock has something. I don't know, but he seems pretty like clean. I don't know from this perspective. I don't think he's been canceled. Attempted cancel. That's like attempted murder. It's like murder, attempted murder. Right. Cancel, attempted cancel.
Right.
They're two different categories because the real true cancel actually doesn't happen that often, but the attempted cancel happens all the time.
All the time, yeah.
And it gets called cancel prematurely because you can't call it cancel if the guy or girl never went anywhere. It's like, wait, you're calling me cancel? I don't feel canceled at all. And so we need actually separate terms here. Just like murder, we need attempted and actual.
Right.
Actual cancel is, I can't, maybe there's been a couple, I don't know.